Hi everyone,
Yeah.
my name is Premjit. I'm the game designer at Battleworks, and welcome back to our game design channel. In the last stream, we did player damage multiplier for our new shooter game, and also we playtest our gun attributes, right? So
Yeah.
today, what we are going to do, Mokshit, can you introduce yourself and just tell something about today's
Hello
task?
everyone. My name is Mokshit. I am a game designer in Battle currently, and today we'll be understanding customization basically is present in shooter games, and customization in the sense how we can customize the UI elements such as the shooting button and all the other buttons. So based on that, we
Okay, so are you done?
yeah.
Okay, so first thing I think I want to see like your deconstruction of customized control from PUBG, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let me just open that. You see my screen?
Yeah, I can say it. Yeah.
Okay, so this is your Figma file, right? So I'm just going
Yeah.
to zoom in a little bit, and you can just explain me what is the breakdown.
So basically, in BGMI, there's a lot of customization options available for the user. So in the default page, it shows basically the every button which can be seen during gameplay. Like even if it's overlapping on top of each other, they show it just so that you can like transfer it or convert it on based on how you want it. As I said, like you can scale the buttons, right? But they have like a threshold so that can't scale the
Can you,
button to the
Mokshit,
entire screen.
I think it will be more
Yeah.
useful for me just if you go one by one all of these points or the screen you have
Okay.
breakdown. So just
So here in the first one,
yeah.
customization page basically just to showcase that it shows every button present in the game and we can modify it however we want, and like whenever we select a button in all those buttons it gets highlighted so that the user will know which button is getting like modified right now, and then what are the changes we could make on button. One of the position, basically we can change the position by moving it around using our fingers, and then again scale of that button. Scale as in like you can either increase or decrease the size of the button, so you have to like zoom in or zoom out using your fingers again. Then max min scale cap as in you can scale the button but there is like a limit to it, you can't go further beyond that limit. So that's the another scale cap. In I tested it, and in BGMI the scale maximum is 300% and minimum is 50%. By default it's at 100% size all the buttons. Then again layout basically means that whatever changes you have made you can save it in a layout. There are total of 3 layouts in BGMI, and whenever you want to like activate one layout you can instantly, instead of making individual changes again and again, you can instantly go to that layout and that layout will get activated instantly, whatever changes
It
you
is
have
like
made.
loadout system for your
Loadout system but basically for your UI button.
buttons, right? Okay.
Then reset is basically whatever changes you made. Let's say you made a change by mistake which you don't want to happen. So if you click on reset, it will go revert back to its default setting. So that's another benefit. So if you make any mistakes,
Yeah.
save in the sense like once you make the changes, you have to save it. Otherwise, if you don't save it, it will not get stored in the layout. And if it doesn't get stored in the layout, you cannot use that changes you made in the future.
Got it.
You have to save it.
And
So save button is given there.
when you save, does it give you option which loadout you want to save, or like the pre
And that comes
loadout?
further ahead.
Okay.
I mentioned it.
Got it. Okay. What is this layout page?
Layout page as in like once you click on that layout button,
Okay.
it will showcase like which layout you want to choose. Layout 1 is the one which is by default, that will be open. If you want to use layout 2, you can click on the use button, and also beside the layout page we can see mine versus featured. Mine means
Okay, this is the layout option, right?
yeah.
So if you click on that, like this opens.
Yeah, if you click on the layout option, that opens. Yes.
Okay. Cool.
Then again on the right side of the layout page we can see mine is our loadout, like our layout. There are many popular YouTubers who play BGMI, right? They have a specific loadout layout system, and if we want to use it, we can. BGMI might have put it in the featured tab, and we can use it from there. Yeah. So mine in the sense it's our layout. So like whatever changes we have made, that will get stored in the mine layout. So in layout panel at the bottom there's a share icon. So basically what that means is what that share means is that like let's say your friend is having a unique layout panel and you want to use it, but you don't want to like make the changes again and again. So instead of making the changes, your friend can give you a 19-digit code and when you put that 19-digit code into this tab, that it will get automatically, changes will be automatically made into your layout. So settings notice, as in the sense, like say you have made some changes but you forgot to save it and you are exiting it right now. So before exiting, the game will prompt you saying that you forgot to save. So do you want to save or not save? So it's like giving us one more extra chance before we like lose all the progress. Then reset confirmation, in the sense, once you click on the reset button, let's say you have made too many changes and you might have clicked on the reset button accidentally. So it will ask you whether you want to reset or do you want to cancel the reset. So that again, it's giving one more chance to us.
Okay, next. Toast message.
Next, toast message. Let's say you clicked on the save button and actually saved it, then it will show us a message saying that okay, the loadout was saved, so that you can use it in the future or you can use it right now if you want. So that's the use of the toast message. Then close button is just to close the settings and go back to the game so that you can continue playing the game instead of changing the settings. Maybe you have not clicked at it at all, so the game will give you a message saying that we have some new recommendations. If you want to try, you can try it from the future.
This counts when you are inside the settings or when you are in the game or main menu? It comes only in
when we are in the settings.
Okay, cool.
Then again, button size slider. Basically, as I said, we can change the scale of the button, right? Previously I mentioned that we can change the scale using our finger, but game has another option where you can change the size using the slider as well, so that it will be easier if you want to use your finger. Then again, button opacity slider is used to change the transparency of the button. You can make it translucent, transparent, opaque, however you want. Basically, using the arrow keys, you can adjust the position of the buttons. They have given the arrow keys because when you move through your fingers, it is too fluid. Like if you want pixel perfection, you have to use the arrow keys.
Yeah, this is how we do when we do mockups, right? So you can drag and drop anything, but when you want pixel perfect, then you use arrow keys. I really like the background; is very detailed. So I think this will help developers and us to understand how it works. Let's go to your document. Can you explain what you've done for our game now?
Basically, at the start default layout page, it basically explains that once you open the customization settings, it shows all the buttons which is available.
Yeah, like
so that you can
similar to PUBG, you have explained, right?
I've used the BGMI as a reference to explain here.
Okay, so I understood, like whatever you have done in BGMI breakdown, you are trying to use it here, but because of the UI you are using from PUBG, we are not able to translate it for our game, right? So I think first we need to finalize the buttons and the UI element for our game, then and only you can update in this document. That will be more useful for you.
Yeah, once we finalize our UI buttons, I'll be swapping those images and GIFs from there to here.
Thank you guys for watching us. We'll come back again tomorrow, and we will be updating more videos on game breakdown. Like we are preparing for Elden Ring for our next breakdown, but hopefully we'll be starting GTA breakdown for upcoming videos, like all the features from GTA, features, systems, anything, mechanics, control, it can be anything, design perspective. So stay with us, we'll bring more things to discuss and learn.
Thank you, Prinjit, and bye everyone. Thank you for watching.